Inspector General of Police, Kayode Egbetekun, said that people should stop reporting misconduct of the police officers in social media, that they have provided the alternative to report misconduct of the police. So since yesterday, I wanted to address this issue, but I was busy, that was why. What I want to tell Nigerians is that what this man is practically telling you people is that he is incompetent. He lack the morals to be there as the Inspector General of Police, that he cannot control the people that are under him. If not, if you are head of organization or head of team, and then instead of you to control your team, no, you decide to control the people that those your team are controlling. That means that is the sign of incompetent leader. You understand? He lacks competence to be able to manage that position, but he is there. We know why he is there, you know? Because if he is not there because of what we are thinking, obviously they would have removed him by now for making that statement. You understand? Because in a sane society, Inspector General of Police cannot come and start saying those jargons that he was saying. You understand? So what I want to advise the people, you understand, is that they should start using body camera. Everybody should buy his body camera, you understand? Because if really the Inspector General of Police really wants the misconduct to stop, he will not refer to the people to stop, as in posting it on social media. You understand? He will not ask them to stop posting on social media. He will provide gadget. He will provide equipment for the police officers to be able to tame the menace that he is facing in his own security architecture. You understand? So now, because of failure to do that, he knows that he cannot do that. Even though he do that, they might not make good use of those evidence that they have from the camera, because they know what they are doing. Nobody that is in Nigeria that does not know that if somebody offends you, instead of you to report him to the police, it's better you leave him for God. You understand? If you see people in police station, know that it has become inevitable. You understand? That's why they got here. Because me, I have been victim. You understand? I have been a victim. In fact, there is time that when I finished school, I went back to village. You understand? So there is somebody there in the village is feeling as if he's a giant, he's a Goliath. You understand? He was bullying me. So one day I decided to take him to police station to go and report to the police. You understand? And the guy was arrested. Could you believe that the money I spent on police, that guy didn't spend that kind of money? You understand? Anytime they will just be calling me on phone call, there is something that you need to do. If I come, I must give them money. They must find one way or two ways to extort me. I was tired of the stuff. I stopped going. After they have released the guy, then say I must come and pay some of 12,000 naira to tear the case file. Imagine you that take someone to station, that because I didn't come until the person is released, that I'm the one to pay 12,000 to tear the case file. You understand? Because I refuse to follow up with the case. So if I see somebody like that man coming out to say that people should stop reporting the misconduct of the police on social media, I just laugh.